Now that storm did take a toll on a lot of trees. We found broken branches all across the Front Range after that wet, heavy snow. Your reporter in Aurora, Michael Abeyta, saw some damage in his neighborhood. He joins us live this afternoon. Michael, after something like this, people always kind of have questions about what they should do now.
Yeah, Michael, and really what it comes down to is where you live. So it's important to know what programs to take advantage of in your hometown.
This weather is going to be tough no matter what.
There's a reason experts say wait until after Mother's Day to plant in Colorado. Late spring snowstorms like this, which has made the Aurora Forestry Department busy.
We've gotten about a little over 80 calls so far just this morning.
Because while you can protect most small plants, trees often get damaged under wet and heavy snow. Aurora Forestry knows that well, as they spent Wednesday cleaning up fallen branches.
If it is a city tree, we will come out, we will take care of all of the down debris, the branches, everything like that. If it's a private tree, we leave the debris, but if it is blocking like your driveway or your sidewalk or the road and creating a hazard, we will move that for you.
If you have branches, they refer you to Dad's Landfill on Gun Club Road or take-up service Wampost, both which will charge a fee. If you live in Denver, you can dispose of branches that fit inside your compost cart. Set out up to 10 bundles of bundled and tied branches that weigh no more than 50 pounds on their scheduled large item pickup day. And residents can drop off branches at the Cherry Creek Recycling drop-off. Aurora Forestry says if you're worried about your damaged trees, you can try to save them by watering them.
I know the drought can be kind of tough, but we do have metrics for kind of deep watering at home.
And they ask that you give them grace as they try to clean up.
I have like 9 people out there clearing stuff today. We got like 80,000 trees in the city. So, be patient with us. We're trying to get to you as soon as possible.
Now, each city and county has different procedures and policies when it comes to where you can dispose of branches. Another one is in Jeffco. They're having a special branch drop-off starting on May 7th, running through the 17th. So make sure to look up what's going on in your neighborhood. In Aurora, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.
All right, Michael, thank you. And with the freeze warning in place, it is easy to keep up with the weather conditions. You can look for updates every 10 minutes on our streaming service, CBS News Colorado.